Yes, I don't go buy catfish. Oh yeah, as I reach out, I say make I wash the catfish. I wan cook catfish and yam pepper soup. As I can't touch salt, make I use wash out those things with the slime. See my water there for kettle already, hot water. Now I pour the hot water, make I feel wash am, make that slime comot. This is the best way to wash catfish. Oh, if you do that, you go wash them very well. Then I dey pour the water, making comot the whole thing with the draw. You know the matter now. Draw too much, I beg. Wait to help me do this, you help me share this video, making reach other people. If you're not following, help me follow and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you subscribe, turn on your notification button so that you're gonna get updates on how to cook our normal thing. Now I don't wash and finish, I don't put them for pot. Now I don't wash my yam already. They add my yam for pot, make them look blessing. I want in the soup. You know, understand? Yes, now. As I wash my yam now, I arrange help me touch the share button now if you enjoy the video. Yes, they go toilet, making a blessing a big deal. You know, understand? Oh yes, now. As I talk plenty, tell me what you think about this my recipe. It go well, I be it no go well. Very, very important. Now what I won't get because your comments count a lot. Now I'm putting my pepper. Now this one is my Maggi. What do they call a Maggi star? They call a Maggi star. The Maggi star be this one. Now I can add my salt. Add the salt. Make no blessing. No for game. I add my water. Okay, now after now, what else will I go do? I go cover them. I did boil for some minutes. I open them. As I open them, this is my crayfish, my onions, and my scent leaf. 9 days inside this place. Now, so make I add them now, making no blind say I'm not doing well. What do you think about this my recipe? And note, this thing go down, and I have done. I won't arrange them. I don't making done too much. You understand? Yes, all of them there, making no blind say you know the game. So what else? Enjoyment time. You don't understand? Life now one the one way chop when I go carry go. Please tell me what you think about this video, and also drop your comments. And tell me what else kind of thing you want me to cook, sha? This is the fish now. Tell me say you no like her. So who no like enjoyment now? So help me share, subscribe my YouTube channel, and do the other things where they involve.